Good morning guys, in front of me is POCO C85 and let me show you how to use secret codes on this device. Whenever you want to get to know your phone a bit better, once you want to get a bit more knowledge regarding your system settings and so on, just enroll your phone dialer, enter keypad, and let's start with the codes. So this is the panel that we can enter them. The first one is pretty short, very useful. It's *##06#. And this one will provide the device info, so both IMEI and serial numbers will be displayed within a couple of seconds. Tap on OK to exit, as this is all about this code. Another one that you can use, which is also truly useful, is *## ***5 ***. And here, as you can see, you've got calendar info. So within just few clicks you can check all upcoming events. From now on you will not forget about any of them, so just enter, pick, choose, select, and remember about all celebrations or birthdays and so on. Another one that you can use here is ***, *4636, ***. And here you've got testing mode. So in phone info 1 and 2 you will see the same panels where you can check data service, network type, voice service, voice network type, signal strength, and so on. You can switch on and off mobile radio power. Here you can also run a ping test if you wish. But then you have also Wi-Fi information, where you can check Wi-Fi APA, Wi-Fi configuration, and Wi-Fi status. Just pick whichever option you like to check. Then go back, as this is all for this testing panel in this device. And another, actually the last code that I would like to show you today is ***, **26, ***. And here you've got FCM diagnostic mode. Here you can check events and status. However, if you wish to expand this knowledge a bit more, just select more icon and mark advanced view. And that's it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.